I want to show you something, and yes, this is the truth that's going about inside and outside of Cape Town, the suburbs of Cape Town that's being, plagued by gangsterism, and children that's dying in gangster fights, and it's absolutely horrific. I don't think people realize how the DA, how the life is actually under the ruling of the DA. I'm gonna play this video to you. And I want you to watch this. Let me first read this out. For those living outside Cape Town and who have been fooled into thinking that the city is run amazingly, this video highlights the sad plight and reality for the lives of the majority. The ruling, the DA and ANC, don't care about the lives of the majority of the people. The city is only cared for and affluently, previously advantaged areas and, of course, tourist areas. So I'm gonna use this hashtag also into my video so that people can get more publicity about what's going on into Cape Town. Thank you, Wesley Fester, for this video. I am going to give you credit for this. And then Wesley Fester writes to us, Hanover Park woman appeals to President Ramaphosa. Our children are dying. Cape Town, South Africa, 12 October 2025. A visible, emotional Hanover Park resident identified as Mrs. Stierman made a public appeal to President Cyril Ramaphosa. Our children are dying. You need to come out. The woman spoke to the media during a well-supported march by Pagat G-Force. The march was held in the aftermath of the shooting of a 3-year-old Kadir Boer who was killed earlier this week. Let me quickly play this video for you.
Because if you could come out, what you can come out again for our children. I'm telling you that today. My man is telling you that today. Come out. I want you to come out. Because our children are dying. Stop sitting behind closed doors. And we're government parliament people. Our children are dying. You need to come out. You need to come out. Ik heb twee broers hier en een opmaak. Ik zeg vandaag. Ons zal voor elke kan opstaan. Maar gevallen niet op markt zal zijn. Ik ben gevallen niet.
So, yes, so the DA is doing absolutely nothing except for helping the tourism, and that is all they're good for the tourism, but they feel nothing for the communities outside in the suburbs, the northern suburbs and the southern suburbs of Cape Town. And they feel nothing for the poverty that's currently going on in Cape Town. I mean, people even cannot even pay rent anymore because rent has gone through the roof. So can you imagine if the DA runs this whole country? In what chaos this country is going to end up? People's going to die more than during the ANC ruling. I'm telling you guys, the DA is evil. You should not vote for them. You should vote them out. My heart goes out to these people. It's terrible how the gangsterism is thriving in the suburbs of Cape Town, but not only there, it's also here thriving, but not as much. But this is terrible. This is absolutely terrible. Come on, guys. You cannot vote for a party that's not looking after its citizens. You cannot. Any guys, thanks for watching.